Well, I'm going to rave on Ryobi here. This is Mark's Reviews and Tutorials. I'm going to do a review. This is a multi-tool that I bought and had. Absolute lifesaver. I use it at work all the time and it's just brilliant. It has as it says on the box there, a 6-year replacement warranty. We're about 2.5 years old and it's died. It's just stopped altogether. And I've just brought it back down here to the hardware store and they are going to replace it on the spot for me. So let me just say, absolutely super duper impressed. Have a look at how much Ryobi gear is here and absolutely impressed on this one. We're walking out. They've exchanged it. It was 2 years old and they have exchanged it. Exactly what the warranty says. I'm wrapped. I'm absolutely wrapped. On the spot, I was mid-job, so I would have been stuffed without this. I would have had to buy another one if they were like send it off and check out what was going on. They have just on the spot replaced it. I'm just super duper impressed. So I'll put a link in the description through to this, but look, buy Ryobi. If they're going to put that sort of warranty on and take care of your customers, look after stuff like that, I'm all for it. I've had a brilliant run with Ryobi, as you know, and yeah, this multi-tool, hey, it might have died, but you know what? They've come through on the warranty, so I'm super duper impressed.